Want to replace your oven glass plate? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A new glass plate. Step 1. Remove the old glass plate. Open the door. Loosen the lock of the glass plate and remove the old glass plate from the door. Hold the door down to prevent slamming shut, or set it at a 45-degree angle. Step 2. Place the new glass plate. Place the new glass plate in the same place as the old one was. Reattach the locking of the glass plate. Close the door. You have replaced the glass plate and the oven is ready to use again.